I'm Mike Flynn, Enterprise Architect at Collibra. And what I'm responsible for is looking at all the technologies we use here at Collibra, how they work together, and how we can use it to scale our business.
My name is Bierbower. I'm a software engineer at Collibra, and I use Workato to make awesome automations to help operations at Collibra work better and faster.
So here at Collibra, we have a data intelligence platform, a suite of tools to help our customers understand their data, track their data, and ultimately drive those insights from their data to improve their business. The way that our professional services engagements work is that as a customer is coming on board, we will either give a coaching engagement or an education engagement or a consulting. And as part of these, there are our team will go in and lead a Zoom call because we're all remote. And as part of the coaching, the meeting ends and you receive the Zoom recording. But behind the scenes, what's happening is that Zoom is a separate system. We're using Calendly to book these appointments. It's all going in the Salesforce. So because we have Calendly, we have Zoom, we have Salesforce all working in concert to try to get that Zoom recording link, but these systems don't talk to each other in that way. And so we had our IT team, our Zoom admins create, every time a recording ended, they would send an email to a service account. Then at some point in time, they'd export all these service account emails into a CSV, hand it off to our Salesforce team that would then look to see, do any of these meeting IDs match something that was a Calendly appointment for our professional services team. If it matched, they did a data load in the Salesforce to generate that meeting recording link and the password that would then be sent to the customer by the implementation manager. So there's 4 people involved in this chain to get just this meeting link sent back to the customer. It was too slow. There would be a large delay between the meeting ending and the customer receiving that notification and it being logged in all of our systems to say that here's where the recording is. We want our customers to be excited about using our product, and a lot of these engagements happen when people are going through their onboarding process. If there is a delay for customers receiving their recording and sharing with their team members, it's impacting their onboarding experience and how quickly they adopt our platform. We can't have delays in getting this information into the hands of our customers. One thing particularly that was appealing about Workato as compared to some of the competitors is that Workato uses a consistent language for all of their connectors. You have triggers, you have actions. And it's easy that if you switch between one system and another, you're not learning a new way to use this new system. Workato has layered on that they've translated everything to a common language that everyone on the team can use. That was a big win for Workato. Part of our proof of concepts or the trials that we did with the other solutions was looking into how well can we partner with someone to deliver this new technology. And so we tested contacting support, how easily we could get our questions answered, and how quickly could we adopt this new technology. The third area that was very important to us is we are trying to build a vision and a mindset of automation. We wanted to select a partner that would help us develop that vision. This is something that Workato does very well with the communities you've established. Not only does Workato work with us, but they puts us in touch with other customers trying to solve similar challenges. We kind of have a checkpoint at the end of the first week with each of the vendors. 3 out of the 4, we didn't have anything working yet, and we were struggling to get things implemented. Workato, almost every single team member had built something and understood it and enjoyed the experience, or enjoyed the experience working with the support team to get it fully implemented. That was a big moment in the selection process.
So we really looked at the problem and said, how can we remove as much human interaction as possible and allow Workato to do that work for us? So we started by pulling the Zoom recordings as soon as they're saved to the cloud into Salesforce so that that information is tied with the Calendly booking. And then we used that event to send out the email notifications to the customers, and as well as the internal coaches, so that the Collibra staff can see that their customers have received this information and they also have a copy of the recording. Yeah, the previous process would take several days, potentially, for a customer to get the copy of the recording. And frankly, that relied on several people's schedules. So if someone were out of the office or busy on another project, that could cause a significant delay for the customer notification. So with this implementation, the customers are notified literally within minutes of hanging up that Zoom call and leaving their meeting with Collibra. So we are still fresh on their mind, and they're able to then very quickly and easily disseminate that information to their team to help build that hype and momentum within their organization.
I've seen the amount of time we've saved, the work that are the amount of pain we're removing from people's day to day, and everybody's asking for help now. And as we share these success stories, we show how our professional services team used to struggle at end of month, fulfilling all the orders, processing, doing that month end closed. Now we've taken that off their plate. Things that used to take them days at a time, they do in an afternoon. That's what other teams want to experience.